About time this one gets driven daily. Well, close to. At least a few shows.
Sweet for that.
Oh, you're fine.
Huh?
It's just unbelievable. It's been this long.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
So here we are, another day at Ollie's garage where we're going to move our stuff around and not really accomplish much. No. Today's the day. Today's the day I finally get that orange turd out of the front garage, and we put that in the front garage, and the orange turd comes back here. So I'll do my best to film as much as I can. I'm not real great at running the tripod around, 'cause it's honestly, it takes forever. And I don't have a lot of time. I want to get this done because I got some other things I want to do. So bear with me and I'll film as much as I can of swapping this stuff around. So enjoy. Cold start. Engaged. Alright, part two. Moving this piece of who knows what. I cleaned up most of the crap in the back. Boat tank, fuel tank, because the tank is full of gummed up garbage. Put her on the ground. Brakes are bled. Everything seems to be working. My problem is the front calipers are sticking, so I don't know. We're just going to give this a shot and see what it does. The I'm not really sure how this is going to go. stuck the seat in it, which is sitting low on the floor. And I couldn't find the parts to put the ignition switch up here, so I gotta reach for it down there. And then this is our this is how we shift. This cable. So I don't know, we'll see how this goes. This could be ugly. This may not work, so let me get it fired up and warmed up a bit, and see if we can pull this off or not. So this will be the first time this thing's moved out of this garage since 2010, 2011, something like that. It's been a while. It's been a long while. So this will be kind of cool. Tape it up here so I could grab it in case I need to pull it in a hurry. Well, there it is. Made it into the shop. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought the brakes were going to fight me. Actually, worked just fine. So, pretty happy about that. Did definitely got to do something about the shift. Trying to pull the cable and stuff to find the gears. Yeah, it's not going to fly. There's a lot of work that needs to be done to this thing. Don't know when I'm going to get on it. It's probably going to be pushed back. The next one is going to be this one here. So we'll wait on this one. Now that it's mobile, at least I can move it around. This one here is going to be the next one. So if y'all can figure out what that is, that's the next one on the docket, I think. And then I might even jump over to the blue one there before I come back to this one. We'll see. So, anyways, thanks for following along with my little adventure today and moving stuff around. It's kind of a pain in the butt filming. That's why I usually don't do it, but I got to share some of this stuff because it's fun. So, anyways, we'll catch you on the next one.